Special Action Unit is also there. NCR, MAU-CD is there. And of course, thank you to the City of Pasig. Sila yung nagpadala ng mga CSWD rito. We are in coordination with the local city government of Pasig dito sa operation na to. And also the barangay officials of barangay, anong barangay masyakot nito? Ugog. So, maraming salamat sa nagtulong-tulong. We have rescued 54 and we filed charges to the individuals na dapat managot dito sa kaso na to. And we are making studies of filing further cases doon sa mga iba pang involved dito. Thank you.
In her statement, allow me to read it for you. She said that this is part of a relentless pattern of harassment and the collateral damage is devastating. Because of these political attacks, approximately 1,000 hard-working employees across various companies have abruptly lost their jobs simply due to a perceived association with my husband. Director, do you think that this operation is not politically motivated and it is only being done under the course of the law?
Well, unang-una, yung statement niya, she has the right to say that statement. Pero this operation is a rescue doon sa mga victims ng human trafficking. And upon rescuing them, that's the only time we discovered, when seeing the documents, eto pala, ang mga may-ari, yung asawa nga ni, so yung mga documents revealed na sila yung may mga kinalaman dito, no? So I'm surprised that they will connect this to political issues that they are saying, no? So I don't know, siguro maganda sagutin lang nila dahil malinaw naman, the law is clear, kung ano yung violation ng anti-human trafficking. Nakita namin yung establishment, nung pumunta kami dyan, may record naman, naka-video yung buong operation, connected yung hotel. Merong secret passage papunta ron sa hotel, may transaction, kakausapin yung mga pimp na anong tawag doon, parang manager yung tawag, tapos magta-transaction, pag nahis yung transaction, nakakyat, nandun sa hagdanan sa likod, paakyat, diretso dun sa mga kwarto na pinapalabas sila ng hotel. And it so happened, the hotel is owned by Serene, kung saan presidente yung asawa ni dating congressman. So the people can be the judge on that. Yun yung factual na nangyari dyan. Everything is recorded. The CSWD of Pasig City was there. Sabi ko, strong coordination with the local government of Pasig. I don't think naman that the local government of Pasig, especially yung pinakang namumuno rito, will allow any political persecution na gagawin. And ang NBI po, we are professional people here. I admire the men and women. That's why everything is done legally and in the process.
Additional follow-up, what is your personal assurance to some of the people from the other opposing camp, if I could put it that way, regarding this regarding what she calls as this political attack on the family?
Well, una-una, you have to face the law. No? Kung meron kayong ginawa na illegal, dapat panagutan. Nung nag-operate sila nito, dapat naisip na nila nito. Tapos ngayon, may nangyayaring illegal, na-involve yung pamilya mo, i-connect dito sa politika. I don't think that is fair, no? That is not fair to the men and women of the law enforcement, and including the government offices na nagtatrabaho ng maayos para ipatupad yung mga batas natin, ano? So my message will be, you have to face kung ano yung dapat naharapin sa law. They are facing criminal charges of violation of anti-human trafficking law, and violation of anti-illegal drugs also, because may mga nakuhang drugs doon. Nung niread namin ito, actually pagpasok pa lang nung pinto, amoy mo na may ginagamit na drugs eh. So yun ang ibig sabihin nito, ibig sabihin the establishment is allowing those things to happen in their premises. So that is their responsibility to police yung mga nagtatrabaho dyan. Kung wala silang kinalaman dyan, maybe it's been happening for a long time. We did a surveillance for 3 weeks. Ibig sabihin, somehow you're consenting to that. At malinaw po yung batas natin kung ano ang mga pananagutan po ninyo.
Katanungan, regarding yung mga nahuli 54 mga babae, meron bang foreigner at meron bang mga LGU for protection sa kanila? Kaya ganyan natuklasan namin.
Well, yung 54 po, we don't consider them na nahihuli, no? We consider them rescued. Malinaw po yan sa batas ano, na yan po sa Republic Act 9208 and there are victims. Kaya po din sa rescue operation, it so happen, meron din tayong mga nilagay na assets na meron talagang nangyayari na bilihan for sexual favors. Ano po. So foreigners, may ilan pong foreigners na nandiyan. And in fact, in relation to that, we found out later on na yung hotel na nag-ooperate, there is also a violation of Republic Act 9593, Tourism Act of 2009 po yan, kung saan dapat kung may foreigner na papasok sa iyong establishment at hotel ka, you ask for the passport and you register it. Wala po silang ginawang recording na gano'n. And apparently, when we're interviewing the barangay officials na tumulong po sa amin doon, akala nila ordinary siya na KTV kasi registered siya na family KTV. At hindi po ito sa lugar na parang yung bang ordinary na lugar, this is Ortigas Center. Sa gitna po ito ng business district, business center. Ano po?
Can we just have it on record po? Paano po ba yung sistema po na nangyari dun sa actual na human trafficking, allegedly human trafficking doon sa nightclub?
Well, actually we got reports already dito sa office natin. Tinuturo yung establishmento na yan. No, at dahil doon, nagkaroon kami ng mga surveillance operation for a period of mga 3 weeks na operation. Tinitingnan namin, tinitest namin kung talagang mayroong nangyayari na mga violation ng anti-human trafficking law. And when na-confirm namin ito, yung araw na yun, yung gabi yun, nag-surveillance pa rin kami, tsaka nagpadala pa rin ang assets to do that. So yun lang nung may go signal talaga na positive na may ginagawa. May mga mark money po Talagang hindi may tatanggi na meron. At alam na namin may mga transaction na nangyari. Pumasok na po yung mga operatiba. Kasama po ang CSWD. Ito po yung social worker ng City of Pasig. No? Kasi yan po yung proseso. Nung pumasok po kami, it will appear to be an ordinary bar. May mga kwarto, may mga umiinom, listening to music, nagkakapay-kwentuhan, nagkakasaya. Pero pumapasok pa lang kami, naamoy na nga namin yung droga, no? Yung illegal, yung marijuana. High grade to, yung kush yung nakita based on the findings ng aming forensic. Tapos doon na kami nagulat, may hagdanan, paakyat, connecting to the hotel, Blue Hotel, yung nakalagay dito. And when kinatok ng mga operatiba natin, nandoon na may ilan, na may lalaki, may kasama na babae, at may positive na nga yung based on that sa asset namin, nilayo na namin kaagad. Nagkaroon talaga ng sex rage. At meron na rin pag-amin yung mga nirestyo natin, pati yung mga individual na na-interview natin. So makikita natin dito yung hotel operations at saka yung sa KTV, yung modus talaga nila, magkarugtong structurally, tapos there's an ecosystem, kumbaga, so to speak, na pagkatapos nagkasundo, dadalhin mo sa kwarto sa taas. So it's all part of the violation of the anti